welcome to the Karen Cave, my vintage kitchen that keeps on cooking and keeps creating memories. I hope the Karen Cave lets you step inside a simple kitchen from the past that is surrounded with all the love and labor of some amazing family recipes. I have dedicated this kitchen to my mother Marcelline Marie and my grandmothers Joyaux and Julia Allen, and the family from years past to today. You will meet so many more along this way, and the contributions of the cooks in the family and the history to go along with them. You will truly see why cooking is a part of my DNA. This simple kitchen has grown on me, and my hope is that it will grow on you as I keep you up to date on the progress in the Karen Cave. Share family recipes you can add to your cookbooks and kick back to the past. There is still so much work to be done and ideas I have, but for now a place to keep them all together and share them with you. Don't forget your apron, and ladies, your high heels. Ready? Let's get cooking. Like my video and please subscribe to my page.
All you gotta do is sing. It makes no difference if it's sweet or hot. Just sing that thing, give it everything you got. Oh, it don't mean a thing if it ain't got that swing.
It don't mean a thing if it ain't got that swing. It don't mean a thing, all you gotta do is sing. Swing gate. It makes no difference if it's sweet or hot. Sing that thing, give it everything you got. It don't mean a thing if it ain't got that swing. Hey, hey.
What that do? What that do? What that do? What that do? What that do?